What's up, future millionaires? Today, we're talking about a topic that most people avoid, but you need to hear this. Let's face it, most people will never have FU money. That's the amount of money that lets you live life on your terms. No more bad bosses, toxic jobs, or stressing over bills. So why is it that only a small percentage of people ever achieve this kind of financial freedom? In this video, we'll break down the reasons most people get stuck and how you can avoid falling into the same traps. If you're ready to break the cycle, comment Future Millionaire below and smash that like button to show some support. And don't forget to share this video so more people can start their journey to financial freedom. Part 1. Playing it safe. Host. The first reason most people will never have FU money is they play it safe. From a young age, we're told to follow a safe path. Go to school, get a degree, find a stable job and save for retirement. But the truth is, playing it safe won't make you rich. The wealthiest people understand that real freedom comes from taking calculated risks. Whether it's starting a business, investing in real estate, or developing a high-income skill, they put themselves in positions where their wealth can multiply. Take action. Tip. Ask yourself, am I making decisions based on fear or am I positioning myself for growth? If you're stuck in a comfort zone, it's time to break out. The bigger the risk, the bigger the reward. Part 2. Stuck in the time for money trap. Host. Here's a hard truth. Most people will never achieve financial freedom because they trade their time for money. Whether it's a 9-to-5 job or hourly work, if you only get paid when you show up, your income will always be limited. You only have 24 hours in a day, and that's not scalable. Wealthy people don't trade time for money. They build multiple income streams that work for them even while they sleep, like businesses, investments, and passive income sources. Take action. Tip. Think about how you can create leverage in your life. How can you make money even when you're not actively working? Start small. Invest in dividend stocks, launch a side hustle, or build a personal brand. The goal is to create income that flows whether you're working or not. If that sounds like the future you want, comment Future Millionaire below, because that's the mindset shift you need to make. Part 3. Fear of failure. Host. Most people will never achieve FU money because they're terrified of failure. They let the fear of making mistakes or losing money stop them from even trying. But here's the thing. Every successful person has failed. It's not about avoiding failure. It's about learning from it and moving forward. Dan Lok says, if you're not failing, you're not trying hard enough. Failure is part of the process. It's how you learn what works and what doesn't. Take action. Tip. Shift your mindset. Failure isn't final, it's feedback. Every time something doesn't go your way, ask yourself, what's the lesson here? The faster you fail, the faster you learn, and the sooner you can achieve financial freedom. If this resonates with you, smash that like button and share this video with someone who needs to hear this. Part 4. Limiting beliefs about money. Host. One of the biggest reasons people never achieve FU money is because of their limiting beliefs. Thoughts like, money is the root of all evil. I'm not smart enough to be rich. Rich people are greedy. These beliefs keep you stuck in a cycle of scarcity. If you believe money is evil, why would you ever attract wealth? Your thoughts shape your reality. If you think you'll never be rich, that's exactly what will happen. Take action. Tip. It's time to rewrite your money story. Start telling yourself, I deserve financial freedom. Money is a tool that allows me to create impact. Wealth flows to me with ease. Write these new beliefs down and repeat them daily until they become part of your mindset. Trust me, this shift can change everything. If you're ready to rewire your beliefs about money, comment Future Millionaire below and let the world know you're breaking the cycle. Part 5. Procrastination and waiting for the right time. Host. The final reason most people never have FU money. They wait for the perfect moment to start. They think, I'll start my business when I have more money, or I'll invest when the market looks better. The truth is, there's never a perfect time. Successful people act before they feel ready. They know that waiting means missed opportunities. The best time to start is always now. Take action. Tip. Whatever your financial goal is, whether it's launching a business, investing, or developing a high-income skill, start today. You don't need all the answers to begin. Just take the first step and learn as you go. If you're ready to take action and build wealth on your terms, smash that like button, comment Future Millionaire below, and share this video to inspire others to start their journey. So there you have it. The 5 reasons most people will never have FU money. Playing it safe, trading time for money. Fear of failure, limiting beliefs about money. Waiting for the perfect moment. The good news is you don't have to be most people. You have the power to break the cycle and create the financial freedom you deserve. If this video inspired you, hit that subscribe button and smash like to support the channel. Comment Future Millionaire below if you're ready to take control of your financial future, and share this video to help others on the same path. Share. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future belongs to those who take action today. Let's go get that FU money.